XRP Future Millionaire. It's Wednesday, September 13th, 2023 at 1:16 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this is just to further validate what we've talked about earlier. So if we're looking at a possible correction with Ripple, XRP, we're looking at the 38 cent, which is the 2020 uptrend. So to try to at least put more of a burden on that possibility, Ripple price forecast XRP holders need to prepare for 25% crash. XRP price is on a downtrend with no potential trend reversal signs in sight. Investors can expect the remittance token to trigger a 26% correction after a minor liquidity run to the upside, which is what I think we're doing now, which is either going to be to 524 or possibly 54 cents if we come to the top side. Invalidation of the bearish outlook will occur if Ripple bulls manage to flip the 532 hurdle into a support floor, which we need to get over 54 cents more appropriately to break the pattern formation. And then ultimately we need to get above 63 cents to invalidate that cross in the daily time frame. XRP price has been dull after the SC versus Ripple lawsuit. Details were ironed out since the July 13th verdict announcement. The altcoin has shed 50% to where it currently trades, 0.478. This price decline is expected to continue in the short term, with technical indicators pointed to an extended correction for remittance token if it fails to overcome a key hurdle. XRP price lacks momentum. XRP price saw a massive uptick in buying pressure after the SC versus Ripple lawsuit's decision was announced on July 13th. Since then, Ripple bulls have done nothing but flee, which has caused the altcoin to shed 50% of its value. Currently, XRP price trades at 0.478, with the relative strength index RSI scraping the oversold region at 30. The last two lows for RSI have produced a higher low, while Awesome Oscillator's AO histogram below the zero line is receding, suggesting an increase in bullish momentum. In contrast with the XRP price, this uptick in bullishness could trigger a recovery rally. However, the presence of the 0.519 and 0.532 hurdles is likely to limit the bounce from the current position to just 12%. Rejections at these levels, these key levels, is more than likely, considering that these barriers have been relevant since March 2021. A spike in selling pressure, perhaps combined with bearish moves from Bitcoin price, could cause XRP price to crash up to 26% from these resistance barriers and tag the next support levels, key support levels at 0.409 and 0.392, close enough to the 38 cent 2020 uptrend, which is where I think we're trending. First, we would have to break the rising channel, which I don't think they did due diligence in this update. They should have talked about the rising channel support that goes back to August of 22. And that's at 45 cents. You would have to break that first to continue breaking the short-term support. So, such a development. Well, while the outlook for XRP price is bearish, investors need to pay attention to any daily candlestick close above the 0.532 hurdle. If this barrier is successfully flipped into a support floor, that absorbs profit taken from holders that would invalidate the bearish thesis. I still think 54 cents you got to be on top of to flip that. Such a development could push the remittance token up 15% to tag the 0.595 hurdle. Make sure you hit that like button, as it will greatly help push me through the analytics. And if you appreciate this content, hit that subscribe button, as we're only 5 away from 18,500 subscribers.